Everyone, Danielle Hashi here with Hashi Trades. So if you're wondering, one, why I have these on my head, I'm about to get to that, or two, why I'm so pale, it's because it's winter in Korea, and apparently I'm part bear because when it gets cold I like to hibernate, and I don't like to be outside because I turn to ice. So these I got for Halloween parties 2 weeks ago. Basically, I didn't really have a costume, but I found these at Daiso. They were literally like 3,001, and I wore it with my burnt orange wrap dress from Nasty Gal that I got last year before I came to Korea. This dress matches, right? This dress has been a point of issue because wrap dresses are really complicated, and anytime I got a wrap dress in the past, apparently I don't know how to make a wrap dress work. So you kind of like wrap it around you and tie it. But I had incidences where it liked to unwrap, and that's a problem. So my recommendation to anyone that wants to wear a wrap dress is have something underneath to protect you in case that wrap dress should ever unwrap unexpectedly and you're in a place where you can't really do anything about it till you get to the bathroom. Okay, so look here. Number one thing I want to talk about, Tesla tequila. So Tesla apparently came out with this tequila, and in South Korea I am not allowed to buy it, as you can see here. However, it is also sold out, and not only that, but it is also $250. So I'm like, oh, let's get some Tesla tequila and social distance, and maybe even get the Tesla tequila and test out the automated driving. Just kidding, I would never do that. Nope, nope, nope. But I really like the look of this. I'm thinking that 2020 is the first time, maybe, correct me if I'm wrong, that a car company has come out with the tequila brand, and aesthetically very pleasing one in this lightning shaped bottle. The only thing I have to say about that is, what if it tips over? What if you lose this little piece that keeps it standing upright and then smash Tesla tequila all over the floor? That could definitely be a problem. So if you're drinking tequila, Tesla tequila, make sure to keep that little piece with you at all times. I was really curious to see what other people had to say about this. Since it's sold out, that means people have obviously bought Tesla tequila, but when I looked online for reviews, I found nothing. So if you found anything, or you're one of those people that bought it, please let me know. I would love to hear about it. Another thing is, I was looking at Kamala Harris's idea of making the school day 3 hours longer to support working families. And I think that's a great idea, but from a teacher's perspective, I'm like, okay, so who's going to be with those kids the extra 3 hours? Like, who's getting paid for that? And so she basically said that it would be enrichment programs that they provide teachers, if they wanted to teach it, could, and they would be compensated, so plus on that. But also other people could teach these enrichment things. So I think that's it's a good idea overall, and I'm glad that anyone that would be working extra time at school would be compensated for it. But then, more importantly, the kids. So I guess if you have parents that absolutely need to work during these hours, which is kind of the target demographic of this program, no matter what, they would be needing childcare somewhere else if it's not at school. So in this situation, the kids are going to be like at school or at an enrichment program from their school hours up until 5 or 6 o'clock, no matter what. I just do feel bad for them because for the younger grades, like say pre-K, kindergarten, first grade, even second grade, that's a really, really long day. So I know it's hard for them, and I kind of feel like maybe we can try to sneak some nap times in here somewhere. I mean, I know I would love to have adult nap time, and one of my biggest feelings as an adult is like, oh, why can't we have nap time like we did in kindergarten? And you know what? Why did they take away nap time? Like, just because you're 6 now doesn't mean you don't get tired after lunch. Come on. Anyway, I would love to know your thoughts and comments about that down below. If you managed to get your hands on Tesla tequila before it sold out, please send some to South Korea. Oh, please. And yeah, that's about it for now. Oh, and lastly, but more importantly, I found my Samsung stylus, which fell on my phone. Okay, I apologize for that. My computer decided that it wanted to take a little nap, so I had to take off those ears and tell them who was really the boss. And yeah, I might have thrown it across the room, but now it's working and obeying me, so that's good. And yeah, so I found my stylus pen, all is well, don't have to look at that gaping hole in my phone anymore. And yes, so that's pretty much it. Hope the rest of you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you in the markets tomorrow. Bye!